Assalamualaikum everyone. Don't give up on English. Try this. If you feel like English is too hard, or you are not improving, or you want to quit, this message is for you because most people don't fail at English. They give up too early. So let me show you something simple. First, stop comparing yourself to others. Someone else's fluency does not define your ability. Second, reduce your learning to small steps, just a few words, a few sentences, and a little practice every day. Third, listen more even when you don't understand. Your brain is still learning in the background. Fourth, speak without fear. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Speak what you know right now. And finally, don't stop. Even slow progress is still progress. Remember this, you don't have to be fast, you just have to keep going because the only real failure is quitting. So don't give up, try this simple way instead. Thank you and keep learning.